Scale the cube solid along x-axis by pressing S plus X. Make a duplicate of cube and place it over as in the video screen. Now click on this wrench icon, which is Modifier, and search for Boolean modifier, difference, and in object click on the duplicate cube and apply the Boolean modifier and delete the duplicate cube. Now go to Edit mode, click on the knife tool and cut the solid as in the video screen. Now click on Face, select Mode, and select these faces and delete faces. Now Shift plus A to add a cube to the scene and loop cut the cube from middle by pressing Ctrl plus R. Now select two of its edges and then move them along the Z-axis downwards. Now select the edge on the top and Ctrl plus B to bevel and scroll to add more segments. Bevel this corner also. Click on this video recorder icon. Move the light to a nice position and click on Render, Render Image, and save as the image to your computer. A few other videos are coming very soon on Blender problems. You can subscribe to channel if you are enjoying and new to Blender like me. Thanks for watching.